In this video, I'll show you step by step how you can create your own website using Base44, even if you don't know any coding. So, first of all, make sure you already have a Base44 account. If you don't know how to create an account, I have already made a separate video on my channel where I explain the complete sign-up process in a very simple way. You can check that video from the link in the description. Once your account is ready, simply open Base44 in your browser. After opening Base44, you will see a dashboard screen. On the top right corner, you will find a button called Start Building. Click on that. Now, a new screen will open. Here, Base44 will ask you to describe what kind of website or app you want to create. This is very important. You have to explain your idea in simple words. For example, what type of website it is, what pages you want, and what features you need. If you are not good at writing descriptions, don't worry. In the video description, I have shared a Google Docs link. Inside that document, I have already prepared a ready-made prompt for you. What you need to do is open that document, copy the full prompt, and then open ChatGPT. Paste that prompt into ChatGPT and briefly explain what kind of website you want to build. For example, a personal portfolio website, a business landing page, or a simple blog website. Then ask ChatGPT to convert your idea into the same format as the prompt. ChatGPT will generate a clean and well-structured description for your website. Now, copy the final prompt that ChatGPT gives you. Come back to Base44 and paste that prompt into the description box on this screen. After pasting it, simply click on the arrow button next to the input box. Now Base44 will start generating your website automatically. This process may take a few seconds, so just wait. Once the generation is complete, your website will be ready. You can scroll through the page and carefully check everything: the layout, the text, and the sections. If you want to make any changes, you don't need to start again. You can simply write what you want to change in the same input area. For example, change the colors, add a contact section, or modify the homepage layout. Base44 will update your website based on your instructions. When you are fully satisfied with your website, go to the top right corner and click on the Publish button. And that's it. Your website will be live and ready to share. This is one of the easiest ways to create a professional website using Base44 without writing a single line of code.